Good morning friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel myseniorlives.com, and in this video I will tell you about GEICO vacant home insurance quotes review. Friends, the place where we reside is one of the closest place to our heart. It makes it important for almost every individual to secure our home to a maximum extent. Our homes have an appreciating share of our net worth. Therefore, it is essential to safeguard the home. Home insurance is one of the crucial coverage which every individual must purchase for the security of the homes. GEICO Home Insurance Quote is one of the popular and in-demand vacant home insurance in the latest times. While finding the best home insurance policy, it is essential to create a checklist with your requirements to get the home insurance as per your requirements. GEICO Insurance Company ensure that the individual who are looking to insure their precious homes get the best GEICO home insurance quotes and can ultimately finalize the home insurance for themselves. Friends, GEICO home insurance has been developed in such a way that the policyholders can invest the required amount and secure their homes from any major or minor mishaps in the long term. The premiums which need to be paid on a monthly basis varies with the choices and requirements of the homeowners. The vacant home insurance policy not only provide coverage for the homes from the fire accidents but also from excessive rain, wind and water damages. It also protects the home from theft damages. You can quickly get a GEICO home insurance quote whenever you plan to purchase a home insurance policy for your home. Friends, one of the beneficial features of the GEICO home insurance policy is that you will receive different types of discounts and offers based on the profile you submitted to the company. This helps you save a good chunk of money on the insurance policies you buy for your homes. You can secure your homes with the fire extinguishers, smoke alarms as well as home security systems. This creates a good sphere of security both inside and outside of your home. The liability coverage of the homeowners is one of the innovative features of the GEICO home insurance policy. So homeowners need not worry regarding their security and thereby safeguard themselves and their homes from different incidents and accidents. What company does GEICO use for homeowner insurance? GEICO home insurance will include all these features without compromising on the quality of the facilities provided in the respective home insurance policy. You can avail the multi-policy discounts when you insure your car along with your home. So you can see that ends up saving a generous amount of money from paying the insurance premiums. You can ensure that you responsibly buy home insurance for your home. GEICO Home Insurance Quote will ensure that you are served in the best possible way during your search for the best type of home insurance policy. The local agents of the GEICO Vacant Insurance Company provide complete and detailed knowledge regarding the ins and outs of the home insurance. Thus, it is essential to get your homes insured and take the home insurance quotes before finalizing the home insurance company. Friends, keep watching our YouTube channel. I will share this article link in my YouTube video. You can check it out all, and you can also check some many top popular companies quotes here. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. Check out our website myseniorlives.com. Thank you.